Welcome. Graham here, talking about court actions that you might have presented to you because our lovely system allows those debt collectors, those complete and utter rat heads, to destroy your life. And got a system here that will stop that. But you're going to have to take some action yourself. You're going to have to get off your butts and do something. Sorry to be real, but that's the situation. If you want the action to stop, you have to do something to stop that action. Although it's a very small thing. A guy called John Smith has put together a system where you, the individual living man or woman, can literally halt any court action against you. Let's read that again. How to halt any court action against you. Now, it sounds too good to be true, and if you're not inclined to do anything or just to literally complain about it or try and go down the route of, well, I've written to the court and they've not answered me and I've told them that this is not right and, blah, blah, blah. Be my guest, carry on with that. That'll get you nowhere because they know how to deal with you. However, if you come in under common law, and you've changed your, if you like, your birth direction, if you become a living man and woman again, which is very easy to do on the site, then you become We the People. We the People have a multilateral attack. Because let's put it this way, if we've got 10 people doing the council tax action in Buckinghamshire, and then we've got 100 up in Newcastle, and then we've got maybe 1,000 in month 2. Do you think for 1 minute that the court system is going to be able to handle all of those requests? I very much doubt it. But they have to, both legally and lawfully. So I'm not going to rabbit on too much here, but what I'm going to say is if you do want to get involved, the only thing you have to do is go to the site. Now this is the community part, so you won't get into this area. You won't get into this area at all unless you're part of the community. But the way you get on to becoming part of the community is very simple. Again, it's free of charge. It's taken a guy called John Smith 7 years to put this together for us. I'm glad he has, because listen, there's lots of weekend warriors, have a go heroes, guru this, guru that, I know the law this, I know the law that, and they're wonderful, they're great. Guess what? None of them really actually work, unless you want to cough up thousands for them. There's loads out there, Matrix, Boredom, they're all at it, charge you first, get nothing in turn, and then go around telling you how wonderful they are. If you want to take things into your own hands and do something about your life, then you're in the right place. If not, crack on with the football and the beer and the Sky remote. That's wonderful. Have a wonderful time. But I'm talking about getting things done for real people, real solutions now, not next week, now. So if you want to get involved, if you go to the homepage, that's where you'll start your process. So effectively you will need to go through recording your birth certificate, that's the first part, and reclaim the ownership of your fictional name, that's the second part. Then you will get a lawful birth date, and then you can go to Crew and Community Join Us. Once you have these 3 things in place, that's the 4th part that you must do. Once you have that, then you can get into filing your cases. So any court case, any summons that you've been issued with, jump on it, get it sorted. I'm going to do another video in depth to go through that process because it's a little bit more involved. But initially, if you've got a problem debt-wise, you're in the right place. If you're not motivated to do anything, then unfortunately there's nothing that can happen. You just carry on the same loop. And believe me, I've spent 12 years in that loop, so I know what it's like. But This is for friends and family, for motivated people that want to make a difference. And listen, we're not standing for it anymore. We can do something. We're doing it now. Thanks very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed it. But again, it's not light-hearted. It's real. It's now, and it's a solution. It's for the people. So thanks very much for your